I dream, I laugh, I cry. Ah, shall I touch you? My girlfriend Maina is looking like a Cinderella with an umbrella. I was standing there with ooh la la la. Birds are flying like Coca-Cola. The entire land is looking like peninsula. But still my heart is beating like musical tabla. Tak tak, tak tak. My girl is coming near to me. Then the song started. Uncle, daughter, Meena, school friend, Mala, next door, Radha, my dear Rita, don't like wine, you are my mina. Wah, 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 wah. Song stopped. The girl was coming near to me. Tak, 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 tak. She was so close, you know. She was touching my hand and she was so close. It was a big hit on my head. Hey, guys, get up! Maina, Reena, what is this? My mom was shouting. It was a dream. It was not a dream. It was a film shoot which has happened quite a few days before. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, and welcome guests. Cinema, a world of dreams. How a cinema is made, how a budget movie is made. As a Google search, you know, if you know how to make a cinema, Google search says there are 3 phases in cinema: pre-production, filmmaking, and post-production. Filmmaking, we make a story. Sorry, pre-production, we make a story. Filmmaking, we shoot the story. Post-production, we do CG, we do effects, we do dubbing, and our first copy will be ready. But ethically, how a budget movie is made in Kollywood. Assume you are a director. If you are a director, you need to have 1 to 3 assistant directors with you based upon your budget. Then you need to have a discussion for a period of 3 to 6 months in order to get a full bound script. But before making a script, generally directors will make a one line. What is a one line? It should have start to end with intro of each and every scene. Once that the one line is built, then the directors will discuss with the assistants, then they will build the script. Perhaps what is the scene happening nowadays? When the director builds a one line, they will go and contact the producer, and if the producer is impressed, he will put a separate hall or a separate office for them. Then with the help of assistants, he will build the script. And after building the script, if the producer likes it, he will go and produce that film. Now the script is ready. So what is the next phase? You need to have cameraman, you need to have makeup man, you need to have costumes, a lot of technicians. You know, in Kollywood there are nearly 24 unions. For example, let us assume I have to shoot with 2 people conversing, a simple 2 people conversation. So for which you need to have 16 to 24 unions working around them. In an average, 50 to 80 people has to work around you. Approximately it would cost 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees per day. But what would you do? What you have to do if you have to make a budget movie? Is it possible to reduce? Yes. The first concentration should be on a camera. So you should know what camera to be used. There are a lot of cameras available in the market. 5D, A7S, Blackmagic, then it comes film camera. But as a budget movie, you know, you can start with 5D or else you can go with 7S. So once you have chosen a camera, choosing a right camera, more than that, choosing a right cameraman is important. He should be very much good enough to fit in your budget, and you should be able to understand all your levels. And more than that, he should be able to love, he should love the cinema actually. So your cameraman is fixed, then you need to concentrate on location and artists. So what should be the location? The location should not change at all. You should create a story, the location should not be changed that much. Then artists. So where do you find the artists actually? You can go and search for artists in WhatsApp groups as well as in Facebook, where the real actors are there who love and die for cinema. And next, the technicians, makeup man, light man, costumers, a lot of other unions are there, stunt man, for which you have to go and contact the unions. But definitely union has their own cost and it will be exceeding your budget, for which you need to go and talk with each and every individual where you can ask them to fit in your budget. Now you have a superb team with all the cinema loving people around you. So what do you have to do next? You're going to start the film. But before starting the film, what you will do? You have to make rehearsals. Rehearsals mean we all will think it is only for acting. It is not only for acting. It is also for cameraman and the assistant directors. So with the cameraman you have to talk and you need to make sure that what are all the angles he is going to take in the next day in the shoot. So perhaps you can make a storyboard. If that is not feasible, you can make a notes and that particular angle has to be followed during shoot. And next is assistant director. You should be well enough to make the prompting, and you should also make sure that each and every scene is completed on time. And next come the actors. You know, a lot of actors are there in the market. Tea shops in Vadaballi will open up a lot of actors where they will come in your cause. But you shouldn't make a mistake by choosing the people who are in your own circle. They will never understand your pain. The people who are there in tea shop, the people who are there in WhatsApp, the people who are there in Facebook will understand your pain and will really perform well. Now shoot is going to happen. Shoot has to complete in 20 to 25 days. So that you should make sure the shoot has to be completed in 20 to 25 days. So the shoot is all done. You have gone to censor and the censor is also done. Now the entire film is ready. Now you are ready for release. People around you will say, everybody will buy this movie. But honestly speaking, nobody will buy this movie. You should make your own release in the entire Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu area is divided into 9 centers. So you should conquer each and every center, and each center has, you should try to get 3 to 4 theaters. If your movie Mouth Talk, you are releasing the movie. If your movie Mouth Talk is coming out well, you are a celebrity. If your movie fails, you have only experience, you are into a terrible loss. Ladies and gentlemen, a successful politician gives growth to the nation. A successful businessman gives jobs to the nation. A successful social activities gives peace to the nation. But a successful cinema man gives happiness to the nation. Thank you.